How to live stream on Twitch on PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. All you want to do is open up Twitch and just make sure you're signed into the correct account. Then on the top right, you're going to see your profile icon. Just head on over to your creator dashboard like so. And once you're in it, you're going to see Stream Manager as one of the things. Now, this is where you're going to be able to change everything. So over here, you're going to be able to edit your stream info, which is like your title, your go live notification. So when anyone gets a notification on their phone that you're live, you want to, if you want to have a custom message, you could do that. Your category, so whatever game you're playing. And then you can have tags as well, so people can search those tags and find your stream, which is definitely very important. You can manage goals as well. You can stream with a friend if you want to. There's quite a lot of different things that you could go ahead and do here. But obviously what you want to do to set up your stream, you want to go to settings and then go to stream right here. And you're going to have a stream key, right? If you want to reset it, you can do that as well. But this is going to allow you to stream. So what we want to do is copy the stream key and never, ever share it with anyone. If you share that stream key with anyone and they use it, they could go live on your account, even if they're not logged in directly onto your account. All they need is your stream key. So never share this with anyone. Never press show in public. So what you want to do now is go ahead and download something called OBS. So we're going to open up another tab and then type in OBS like so. It's Open Broadcast Software. Go over to download right here and then download it on Windows, Mac, or Linux, whatever operating system you're on. I'm on Windows, so I would download it here. Now, what you want to do, this is what it's going to look like. You can add a scene and then add sources like any audio and your display capture or anything like that, or a game capture by pressing this plus icon. And all you want to do is go over to your settings and then go over to stream, change your service to Twitch, and then it's going to give you two options. You could have it on Twitch and then use you can sign into your account. If you don't want to sign into your account, then you got to use your stream key. So I have my account already set up to stream, but if you don't want to do that, you can just use your stream key and then, yeah, you'll be good to go to stream.